It's demo time for the Silverado. Link and I just barely finished ripping out the carpet in the main part of the trailer. There's a little bit on the stairs over there, and then we need to move on to the bedroom. We did a time lapse on it, and it made it look a lot easier than it actually was. I'm sweating over here. They actually build some of the walls on top of the carpeting, and so it's very hard to get it out of there. So you can't just pop it up like you can a lot of regular carpet in traditional home sticks and bricks. So gotta use a razor blade and some guns. So we've ripped out all the cabinets, we've ripped out all the flooring, We've ripped out anything that we don't want to have in here, and now we need to start prepping the walls. Some of the walls got pretty jacked up from ripping out the cabinets, and there's quite a few staples left in there, and so I need to pull off all of the weird wallpaper, patch any holes, and get anything off of it to get it ready for painting. And then also the blow dryer I'm going to use to heat up the wallpaper and then use the putty knife to scrape it off. That's probably the best way of getting wallpaper off this kind, because it has a sticky residue that you want to loosen and be able to scrape off. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe to get more updates on this renovation and other RV tips.